Hey everyone, it's Brow Daddy Yakky here. With over 10 years of experience as the first lip PMU artist to pioneer lip pigmenting on dark lips, I'm here to show you my advanced lip PMU technique that guarantees a pain-free experience for clients while delivering stunning, long-lasting results. Let's dive into the step-by-step process and the products I use to create flawless lips. First, the 1RL cartridge, perfect for precise lining to define the lip shape. Next, the 3RL or 5RL cartridge, ideal for depositing pigment and creating soft, natural-looking pixels for a beautiful finish. Then, we have the Numbing Cream. Apply this for 30 minutes before starting the procedure to ensure your client's comfort. After the first numbing is done, swab the lips using a lip brush or a dry cotton pad. Never use wipes as they will remove the numb. Then, reapply numbing cream for another 20 minutes to make sure there's no pain. And don't forget the analgesic gel. After each pass, I apply this to further reduce pain and help the pigment deposit more effectively. Of course, we have the lip pigment by Brow Daddy Yakky. This is my exclusive lip pigment, available at @BrowDaddyYacky_cosmetics on Instagram. Finally, the aftercare serum by Brow Daddy Yakky. To ensure smooth healing and long-lasting results, use my aftercare serum. Aftercare is essential to ensure the best results for your clients. Cleanse gently and avoid rubbing or picking the lips. Apply the aftercare serum daily to keep the lips moisturized and promote proper healing. Stay away from direct sun exposure, saunas, and pools for at least a week to protect the pigment. My unique technique guarantees that my clients don't feel any pain during the procedure. If you're interested in learning these methods, I offer online training to teach you everything you need to know about lip PMU. Now let's cover some crucial do's and don'ts. Don't apply pressure on the lips. Let the cartridge glide effortlessly. Don't use a long cartridge needle. In this video, I'm demonstrating the technique, but the actual needle length should be shorter. Don't penetrate too deeply. Remember, your touch should be light, like shading on a balloon. That's all for today's video. If you want to learn more or grab some of the best lip PMU products, head over to @BrowDaddyYacky_cosmetics on Instagram. And don't forget, I offer online training to help you master these techniques. Thanks for watching.